Craft with me, making easy embellishment for young journals and scrapbook projects. So, take a look. Hello everyone, it's Marlene from PaperArtbyMC. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make embellishment with printable fussy cuts with my collection Gerbera flowers. If you're interested to get the printable files are available at my shop. I left you all the links in the description box down of this video. I used some products to make the glossy effects such as Mod Podge, binding glue that I bought in my local city. The last is my favorite, but you can use the traditional glue or glossy craft varnish. Also, you can use UV resin for the best glossy effect, but I'm gonna use Mod Podge and my glue for binding. To expand the varnish, I'm going to use a silicone brush, but you can use an ordinary brush. For the images above, I will use Mod Podge, and for the images below, the white glue. This process is very easy. To use the Mod Podge, I recommend putting just a little bit and spreading it carefully with the brush and let it dry. For this one, I use glossy accent of the Ranger to make an emboss effect. Repeat all process for the other images and let it dry. For the folks what seal, cut another cardstock piece to make a kind of sandwich and put a magnet in the middle. Check it out how I do it. The last step is decorate them as you want. I used eyelets, charms, twines, and other decoratives. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like my contents, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!